Imagine standing on a misty walkway as the roar of cascading water surrounds you. This is Iguazu Falls, where over 250 waterfalls plunge into a lush, emerald rainforest. Adventure seekers can board a speedboat and feel the spray up close, while wildlife enthusiasts spot toucans, monkeys, and butterflies along winding trails. Beyond nature's spectacle, immerse yourself in the traditions of the Guarani people, whose vibrant crafts and stories echo through the forest. Savor local delicacies like chipa bread and fresh river fish for a truly unforgettable escape.